One of the beliefs I have with being a ULR is opening people's minds to accepting they're not what they think they are and giving them a chance to better themselves for the future.
Definitely improve people's lives through being a ULR because literally you're giving all the time. They appreciate it, and once you start them on one thing, they always come back for more.
As a ULR, I can help my colleagues by making sure they get the courses they want, the information they want, and whatever other courses I can get them on, inside or outside work.
Well, one of the ways I've helped people being a ULR is we've identified people who had learning difficulties. One boy was 30 odd. We assessed that he couldn't read or write. At the end of the course that the well funded, he went GCSEs, A-levels, and now he's reading tidy.
The digital literacy program that we're promoting in Tata Steel in Talbot aims to provide the workforce with the digital skills that they need in the future. Hopefully, many of them will take it up and they will see the advantage.
There are also courses that can upskill the workforce to let them be sellable on the marketplace if anything untoward happens, but that will also help the company because it helps with an upskilled workforce for the company where people can go above and beyond the call of duty and also look for promotional prospects.
For the boys that are working with us, it's very good because there's not many of us are full time. Most of the boys are agency and they may not be there after a couple of months. So if they get the training they want, that means then they've got something in their back pocket when they do finish work here.
We have regular meetings as a ULR forum for the multi-unions, trying to identify any direct training needs that could be a benefit to the company and the individual and departments. We've run Excel courses, we've done IOSH courses. It's the need and people want to train.
We have meetings every month with the Wolf managers. They give their support, guidance and direction. And to be honest, without the Wolf managers, this wouldn't be going ahead because the amount of organisation this takes is huge.
When we did have the redundancies in Clanwern, Wolf were there to help the boys with the CVs, get them jobs outside and to make sure they had a future.
Without the Wolf funding, because obviously we couldn't fund it, the boys wouldn't be nowhere near as advanced as they are now.
My aspirations for the future is to get everybody on site digitally literate.
With me, I always like to help people, whether it's a union learning rep or as an individual, and it's being able to be there when somebody needs something and be able to say, yes, it can be done, not, no, it can't be done.